You're the big bird, aren't you? What are you, a parrot? I think.
It is on the wall.
Let's see. My name is Tequila.
Hello.
Oh, you're not for sale. Goodness, you scared the crap out of me. He reached out and touched my shoulder and scared the crap out of me. He's a really big... Yeah, he's a big bird.
Hello. Hello.
You know how to get my attention, don't you?
What are you doing? They do some talking.
You talking to? Yes.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, dear.
Hello.
You're a pretty bird. You're colorful. You're so colorful, aren't you?
How do you do?
I think this one wants attention. He just came over here.
Hello.
You're the big bird. You're an interesting looking bird.
Hello. Goodbye.
Your name is Pinky. That's an interesting name for a bird.
Some beautiful birds.
Hi. Hello. Hi, dear. You're loud, aren't you? You are a big bird. Hi.